China as the world factory. There is made in China all over the world. China's manufacturing level has ranked first in the world for 12 consecutive years. China is the world's largest exporter. In the list of the 2020 top 100 international auto parts companies, 11 are Chinese companies. Cars are like a crown in China's manufacturing industry, and car lights are the jewel in the crown. Foshan Bogeya Auto Parts Limited Company focuses on car lights and other car parts. The main models are Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Jaguar, Land Rover, Porsche, Maserati, Jeep, Bentley, etc. The company is located in Foshan City. It is in the transportation center of Guangdong Province. Bogeya has more than 200 employees, including more than 30 technical engineers. The technical leaders of Bogeya have been working in the auto parts industry for 20 years. Bogeya has advanced automated assembly lines and complete testing equipments. The defective rate is less than 5 per thousand. The excellent product quality monitoring system offers Bogeya sufficient confidence to provide 3-year warranty. For any quality problem within 3 years after the reception, free new replacement or fully, partly refund will be provided. Bogeya has 2 brands, Angelade and Positive Nth Power. Angelade is for original genuine parts. We get the used original headlights. Test to choose the 100% good performance ones, disassemble the components, test and clean them and then assemble with new front cover and back house. Every finished light will be tested for the quality control. The finished product looks 100% new. Positive Nth Power is for brand new lights made in China. Positive Nth Power lights are made from original core component, original data mold and original material. The finished lights have the same quality with original ones. Bogeya helps customers to buy high-quality and low-cost car lights at home. Welcome customers from all over the world.